Hello there! In this tutorial video, we will demonstrate how to set and navigate through this consult menu of the Thermal Protection Relay EP3 from Electron do Brasil. To access the consult menu, just press the button Set. Then, the initial stop will be displayed on the EP3 screen. This menu allows the user to check the higher temperature registered by each temperature channel. Press Set again, and the screen will display all of the three maximum temperature values. Use the directional buttons to navigate through this menu. Notice that, during the consult procedure, the LED Tmax above the screen will be lit, indicating that the EP3 consult function is being used. Realize that, as the directional buttons are being pressed, the LEDs of the sensors to the left of the screen will light individually, indicating to which sensor the temperature shown belongs. To exit this menu, press the X button, and the screen shall show the initial stop again. Press the down arrow button, and the screen will show the initial RST, which means reset. This menu allows the user to reset or simply wipe out the present higher temperature registered by each sensor. Press Set, and the screen will show the initials S1 that represents the sensor 1. The user must use the directional buttons to choose the sensor to be reset. Press Set, and the screen will show the highest temperature from the chosen sensor. Press Set, and the present value registered by the chosen sensor will be erased, and the screen shall display the next sensor. If the user needs to reset all sensors, just repeat the previous operation. Remember, to confirm a reset operation, use only the Set button, because the X button just returns to the previous screen without saving any configuration made. After finishing all resets, certify to check out if all values has been reset. To do so, press the X button twice and press Set again to access the top menu. This time, as you navigate through this menu, the displayed temperatures are the current values of the sensors. This concludes the consult menu tutorial operations video of the Thermal Protection Relay EP3 from Electron do Brasil.